Hello, guys. You're welcome back to Forest Nerds Academy. And I have to say, Happy New Year because this is going to be my first video for the year 2022. And so it's going to be a new thing entirely, guys. It's going to be a video series, it's going to be a series where we'll be talking about a very important aspect of technical analysis, which is chart patterns. It's going to be a video series where we'll be discussing on how to trade chart patterns. The series is going to be broken down into episodes, and each episode we will be talking about different chart patterns. I mean, one episode for one chart pattern, the other episode for another chart pattern, till we are sorted with chart patterns. And I'm very excited to share this with us, and I'm also sure that we'll be glad to hear this from me. So let's sit back, let's get our laptops, let's get our phone, let's get ready to learn a new thing entirely that is capable of taking our trading to the next level. See you at the other side. Welcome back, guys. So in this very video, we'll be talking on how to trade double bottom. I'm sure most of us are familiar with what we call double bottom, and also for the sake of those who are new to chart patterns, I will be showing us what we called double bottom. Let's go. So this is a typical example of a double bottom. Double bottom is basically a structure used to know when a trend is coming to an end and a new trend is coming up. Maybe, for example, now a downtrend is changing gradually to a uptrend. When trends are changing, chart patterns are most times what denotes the change of trend. Chart patterns. So, for example, what we are talking about right now is double bottom. So double bottom is a reversal chart pattern. That is the first thing we have to understand. Double bottom is basically a reversal chart pattern. We can see from the picture I have here, price has been coming down. Of course, we know that when we are talking about downtrend, it can't be as straight as this. We know it comes, there's a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. It comes. So when it's about to change to a uptrend, the first thing is price is going to establish a support. It's going to establish what? A support. We can see a support here, what is called bottom one. So price is going to establish a support. Price might be retesting a previous support, a level that has been a support previously. Are you getting it now? So price can retest a level that has been a support previously, or a level that has been a resistance. Charts, resistance can change to a support level. A level that was once a resistance level can change to be a support level. Do we know that? And also, a support level can change to be a resistance level. Do we get that now? So the first thing that happens when trend is about to change is that price will establish a support level. The first support level established by price is what we call the bottom one. Price will test a level, jump off that level, then come to retest that level. Please, I have to say this and we have to note this. Whenever price retests a support level, it is not a signal for us to jump into the trade. Please, let's get that. And when we get back to the chart, I'm going to show us what I'm trying to say. We have to wait for a candlestick pattern to show that the new trend has started. That is when we can now join the new trend. In this case now, uptrend. Do we get that now? So when price is retesting the first established support level, we have to be patient enough to wait for when price is actually ready to begin the new trend. So when price retests that level, then it moves off. So the second bottom is where we want to enter our trade. So that is what we call double bottom. That is what we call double bottom. All right, guys. So let's go back to our chart and look for a very good example of a double bottom. Now, now I got this on boom 1000 H4. We can notice that this is a support level. This is a support level, and we will notice that price on a downtrend right from this point. Price has been on a downtrend right from this point. We can see the lower low. We can see the lower lows. Sorry. You can see the lower lows, the lower high, the lower lows, the lower highs, the lower lows, the lower highs. We can see it, which is the characteristics of a trend. So when price got to this level, price established a support here. You notice that during the downtrend, price came this way, higher high, higher low, and it broke. You notice that price broke this higher high. It broke it, which is a sign that price is about to change trend. Price is about to change trend. Previously, this is a higher low, higher high, this level. You notice that the next higher high, price did not break the previous higher high. That means the trend still continues. That means the trend still continues. So price came low, formed another higher high, which is not as high as the previous higher high, came down again, formed a lower low, formed another higher high, which is not as high as the previous higher high, formed a lower low, and this time you'll notice that the next higher high was higher than the previous it was higher than the previous higher high, which means price is about to break the downtrend. Are we getting it? That means price is about to break the downtrend. So now price came back to retest the previous support, the previous support level. That means a double bottom has been formed. Do we get it now? So at this point, we can wait to take our trade. Can we see? We can wait to take our trade, and you can see that price moved high enough for us to make good profit. The move is huge enough to make what? Good profit. Okay, let's calculate the pips. The pips moved by price from here to this point. Price 858 pips. That is huge, guys. That is huge, guys. But remember, we are on the H4 time frame, so it might take a period of time, but we know that trading is a game of patience. If you can be patient enough, you will have made a lot of money from this strategy. I'm showing you something very powerful, guys. Double bottom is a very powerful chart pattern that we can really make good money from. Okay, now let's continue. We can see another very good example right here, and a very good example right here. We can see that after price moved up, it came down to retest that same support level. It came down, moved up a bit, retested that support level, forming a double bottom, and then the new trend started, uptrend. Can we see that? New uptrend started. That is, this is a very good example of double bottom. But now I have to state where we can safely place our take profit. Where we can safely place our take profit. Let's check it out, guys. We will notice here when price retested this level, moved up, came down, our safest place to put our take profit is at this point. This neckline is the safest place for us to place our take profit. At that point, we can be patient to see what the market wants to do. If market wants to continue with the uptrend or is coming to retest the support level again. Imagine our take profit will have made our money and run out of the market, and when price was coming down, we would not have been there. Waited for this to retest the support level, moved up a bit, come down, forming a double bottom, and we enter into the trade again, putting our take profit to be at the neckline. For this case now, this level is going to be our neckline. Then after price has hit our take profit, we can wait a bit for a retest, for price to retest the neckline. Then we can now join and ride the uptrend. Getting it now? This is a very powerful strategy that if we can study this video very carefully and understand how this chart pattern work, is going to make a huge difference to our profitability in this forex business. Forex Nat Academy is here to help you maximize profit, to help you have a good understanding of price of the market. Are you getting it now? So you guys can I want to believe we have really learned a lot from this video, and I want us to sit back and relax and anticipate the episode 2 of this chart pattern series. Is going to be powerful. The next chart pattern we'll be talking about is something that will really surprise us, and it's really going to help us and take our trading to a new level. See you in the next video.